Hey there! Let's walk through how to set up Slack for customer support using Thena. First, head to Sources under your organization settings in Thena. Enable Slack. Connect your Slack workspace. Once authorized, you'll see your Slack workspace marked as connected. Next, assign access to individual teams. That's it. Slack is now live for your support ops. Now let's configure where the magic happens. Go to Team Controls. Add the Slack channels where you want Thena to create support tickets. Select them in bulk, then click Add Thena. You've now added the Thena bot to those channels. Here's how it works in action. A customer sends a message in Slack. Thena's AI picks it up and instantly turns it into a support ticket. Your agent is notified in the Thena web app. They open the ticket, reply, and that response is posted right back in Slack as a threaded message. The conversation continues smoothly between agent and customer, right where it started. Deploy Thena to hundreds of Slack channels. Make your support team faster, smarter, and way more efficient.